Hi there, this is Lukasz for the Tech Travel Geeks. After a few videos about game controllers, we also got a request to check the Gamepad T3 or X3. We couldn't find the exactly same one, but found an almost identical one, almost being key here. Check our unboxing and first impressions and see how long it took for this to happen. And if you don't already, make sure you subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks for more content like this. Looking around the box, it appears to be made by a company called Maegoo. It supports Android and iOS, as well as PS3, Windows PCs and others, and even VR, but we haven't checked that just yet. So far, we've tested controllers with retractable arms, but this one uses a telescopic hold, so it's a bit different. Let's see what's inside. Opening the box, other than the controller itself, which basically looks like a PS3 controller with a different directional pad, we see a wireless dongle, which you can use to connect to your PC wirelessly. Very useful if your desktop doesn't have Bluetooth. There's also a mini USB cable for charging or for a wired connection with your PC. There's also a bracket to mount your phone once it's connected to your device. To install it, put it at the top above the home button and get it to wrap around the bottom of the controller. It should fit most phones, including my Huawei P30 Pro and Samsung S9 Plus. However, you might struggle with bigger gaming or rugged phones, like my Doogee S95 Pro, which doesn't fit in too comfortably due to how thick it is. You might want to try the iPega Red Bat instead. Finally, there's a set of instructions, both in English and Chinese. I'd actually recommend reading them, especially when it comes to connectivity and different modes. I quickly noticed that they look just like instructions for other iPega controllers, so it turns out it's a clone of those. It also uses the Shooting Plus V3 app, and it's actually recognized as iPega by some applications, which confirms my suspicions. If you want to learn more about different modes and the app, check our review videos, or the one where we tested more than 40 games with the other two controllers, link in the description. This was initially supposed to be a quick first impressions, followed up by a review, but literally 7 minutes into testing the controller, this happened. Let's see that again, this time in glorious 4K slow motion and with the sound on for my reaction. Yes, the D-pad fell apart straight away. You can reattach it, but it will fall out soon afterwards. You could probably fix it with some glue, but since I have a few other controllers, I'm unlikely to do this, to be honest. Other quick thoughts? It has some weight and feels a bit top heavy with the phone installed, but I found it quite comfortable when playing some games and emulators. The rest of the controller feels quite plasticky as well, as expected. There's a bit of a grip on the sides, so it shouldn't slide out of your hands easily. When it comes to game compatibility, it appears to be the same as the other iPega controllers, so you should have fun playing classic Sega games like Sonic, some racing games, fighting games, or your emulators of choice. There's also custom configurations for some newer games like Arena of Valor, PUBG Mobile, Mobile Legends, and Knives Out. I'm not the biggest fan of such games, but Arena of Valor was quite good. So, would I recommend this controller? Probably not this specific version, as the build quality is quite bad. However, if you find a similar controller with the more traditional PS3 directional pad, like the aforementioned Gamepad T3, it might be quite good. Thanks for watching this Tech Travel Geeks video. Second in the last few weeks when I managed to break something. Let's hope the trend doesn't continue, so make sure to check back again for more videos from us. Thanks for watching, goodbye!